Okay, now we will see the length in detail. Okay, so length, in this length, which measurement we will use for what? Okay, that we will see. Now the short length, short length means now suppose the length of this chalk piece, this is very small. So for this, you will not use meter. Meter is the longest distance, little more longer one. So you cannot use the meter. So for this and all, you will use millimeter, otherwise centimeter. So that way you will use. Okay. Suppose you have to measure the maybe length of this board, the length of this board. So this you need meter. Okay, centimeter will be very small, so it will take long time to measure. So you will need the meter. Okay, suppose if you have to measure the length of the long distance from here to Mithun Gate, otherwise from the school to your house, from Itanagar to Nagalagan. Okay, so like this, the long distance to measure, you cannot use the meter. Meter will be the smaller unit for that. So for that you will be using the kilometer. So you must know where to use. For the short distance, for the short length, you will use millimeter. For a long distance, for long length you must know. Okay, length, distance, not distance, length. For long length you will use meter. Again for short distance we will use meter. Now suppose short distance means from here to from the school, from your classroom to near the church, from the school to near the church. This is not a long distance, this is a short distance. So there we will use meter. For short distance we will use meter. For long distance we will use kilometer. Okay, now we will see how this is, how we can convert, or what is the difference between how much it is that means the relationship between our two units, between two higher units, otherwise two smaller units. What is the relationship? How much measurement they are differ? That we will see. Okay. So now in digits, numbers you have learned. Now ones place, again tens place, hundreds, thousands. When you learn, you have seen that 10 ones will make 110. Okay, so that means this if you multiply by 10, okay, ones if you multiply by 10, you will get tens. Again tens if you multiply by 10, you will get 100. Again 100 if you multiply by 10, you will get 1000. Okay, so this is from right to left, right to left. This is the right side, this is the left side. So from right to left, it is increasing 10 times. 10 times means multiplying by 10. Okay, 10 times means multiplying by 10. This is increasing 10 times from right to left. Okay, so this is the difference between them is multiplying by 10. 10 times they are differs. Okay, the same way here also they are differing each other 10 times. Okay, so here now millimeter is smaller and centimeter is bigger. So this is 10 times than the millimeter. Centimeter is 10 times than the millimeter. That means 1 millimeter equal to 10 centimeter. 1 millimeter equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, from here to here means it is multiplied by 10. Again 1 centimeter equal to 10 decimeter. Okay, 1 centimeter equal to 10 decimeter. Again 1 decimeter equal to 10 meter. Same way again 1 meter equal to 10 decameter. Again 1 decameter equal to 10 hectometer. 1 hectometer equal to 10 kilometer. Okay, this is the way from lower unit to the higher unit, it increases 10 times. It increases 10 times. Again, when we go from the higher unit to the lower unit, it decreases 10 times. Decreases means just opposite. Here we multiply, so then it will be opposite, so it will be divided. Okay, so 1 kilometer will be 1 by 10 hectometer. 1 by 10. 1 by 10 hectometer. Again, 1 hectometer will be 1 by 10 decameter. 1 decameter will be 1 by 10 meter. This is the way it will decrease. Okay, when we go from up to down, it is multiplying by 10. When we go from down to up, it is dividing by 10. That is the way they are related. One another, no, they are related. Okay, so this is a formula you must know. 1 millimeter equal to 10 centimeter, 1 centimeter equal to 10 decimeter, again 1 decimeter equal to 10 meter, 1 meter equal to 10 decameter, 1 decameter equal to 10 hectometer, 1 hectometer equal to 10 kilometer. So that you must know. Then if you know this order, then it will be easier for you. Okay, so now I will tell, if you keep this in order, if I write it like this, meter is the standard unit here, this is the standard unit. Okay, now this is decameter, hectometer and kilometer. Here it will be decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. So now from meter, if you see this side, these are higher than meter, no? So higher than meter, so it will be now 1 by 10. Okay, one step, 1 by 10. Okay, so now next one will be 1 by 100. 1 by 100, just 1 0 it is increased. This will be 1 by 1000. That means 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. 1 meter equal to 1 by 100 hectometer. 1 meter equal to 1 by 10 decameter. Okay, now you will not understand. When you do the sum, you will know. Okay, now this is a formula, so you will be confusing. When you do the sum, you will know. Now this is a lower unit, so this is multiplying. Okay, so just 10. 1 meter equal to 10 decimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter. Okay, this is the way it is. That side it is decreasing and this side it will be increasing. These are lower units, they are higher units, and meter is the standard unit. Now how to find the formula? This is for you may find it difficult to by heart, no? So now I will say how to do. Okay, so now you have first exercise only to how to convert the meter into centimeter, again centimeter into meter. Only that you have in the first exercise. So that for that I will say how to find the formula. So first you have meter into centimeter. Meter into centimeter. Now meter is the higher unit. This is a higher unit. Centimeter is the lower unit. We are converting the higher unit into the lower unit. So lower unit will be smaller one, no? So the answer will be now bigger. Okay, when you convert into the lower unit, you will multiply. When you convert into the higher unit, you will divide. Okay, so now if you are not able to understand higher unit and lower unit, I will say no. Now meter, you are going to convert into this order. You remember, then it will be easy to find the formula. Meter is here. This is a meter. You are going to convert into centimeter. So centimeter is here. Meter you are going to convert into centimeter. Okay. So now you have to, from meter only you have to go meter to centimeter. So from meter you have to go decimeter, again from decimeter to centimeter. So how many steps you are going forward? You are going upward. Okay. You are going upward. How many steps you are going? 2 steps. 2 steps you are going upward. You are going 2 steps upward. Okay, so 2 steps. So 2 0. 1 and 2 0. When you go 2 steps, 2 0. When you go 1 step, only 1 0. When you go 3 steps, it will be 3 0. Okay. And when you go upward, it is multiplied. When you go upward, it is multiplied. Okay, upward means multiplied. Okay, when you come downward, when you come downward, it is divide. When you come downward, it is divide. When you go upward, it will be, sorry, I made a mistake. Meter into centimeter. Okay, correct only. When you go upward, multiply. When you come downward, it is divide. Correct only. Okay, so when you go 2 steps, 2 0. When you go 3 steps, it will be 3 0. Okay. So now 1 meter equal to, now it will be 100 centimeter. You went 2 steps upward, no? So the formula will be 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So remember this one. Okay, this is always, it will be mostly, it will be asked, so this formula you remember. Okay, from meter to centimeter, 2 steps you are going. So 2 steps when you go, it is 100. Since you are going upward, it is multiplied, it is 100 centimeter. Okay, now we will do the sum with this. Okay, so how to do the sum with it? Suppose if it is given 5 meter, you have to convert into centimeter. 5 meter you have to convert into centimeter. So 5 meter. So 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So 5 meter will be 5 into 100 centimeter. Okay, here you will write centimeter. From the formula what is given, this by that number you are multiplying. So it will be 5 into 100, 500 centimeter. So the answer is 5 meter equal to 500 centimeter. So this is the way you convert. This is the way how to convert. This is a formula. You have to write the formula in the box. Again, you will do the calculation. Okay, this is important. Okay, this is important. You have to write the formula in the box. First find the formula and write it in the box. Now you see this sum. Convert 7 meter 40 centimeter into centimeter. You see here meter also is there, centimeter also is there. So this one how to do? So this is also centimeter is there, no? So we have to convert into centimeter. So don't bother this one. So only see the meter. So meter to centimeter. So the formula is 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So write the formula and write in the box. Again we will do the calculation. 7 meter 40 centimeter. So only meter you are going to convert. So only this meter you will multiply by 100. So 7 into, instead of meter you write 100 centimeter because 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, no? Instead of meter you write 100 centimeter. Again plus this 40 centimeter. Plus 40 centimeter. Okay, now 7 into 100, it will be 700 centimeter plus this 40 centimeter. The centimeter is important. Don't leave the centimeter. Don't write only the numbers. Write the centimeter. Again 700 plus 40, 740 centimeter. If you don't know to add, some of you make mistakes. So arrange the digits in order in the rough and you can write it here. Okay, now last take and write the answer. 7 meter 40 centimeter equal to 740 centimeter. So this is the way how to write in the box. We have to complete the answer. This much must be there when you complete the answer. Okay, this whatever I have given from the formula to the answer in the between the calculation, this much must be there in the calculation. Next one, centimeter into meter. Okay, now before meter to centimeter, now centimeter to meter. Okay, now I will come this side, centimeter to meter. So centimeter is here. So from centimeter to meter, we have to come 2 steps downward. We have to come 2 steps downward. 2 steps, so it is 100. Okay, downward, so it is divide, so it will be 1 by 100. So this when you write in by means it is divide. Okay, you are coming 2 steps. Okay, so it is 100, and since you are coming downward, so it is 1 by 100. Okay, remember this is you are coming from the lower unit to the higher unit. You are coming down. So coming down means you have to divide. Okay, so the formula will be now 1 centimeter, centimeter to meter. So 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. Okay, centimeter. So first centimeter I have written meter. So after next I have written the meter. 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. Okay, so this is the formula. Now we will do the calculation. Suppose if it is given 1000 centimeter, you have to convert into meter. So how to convert? So this is the formula. 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. So now 1000 centimeter equal to 1000 by 100 you can write, otherwise into this 1 by 100 meter. You can write it, okay, like that. Now this meaning already here you have learned in fraction, no? This is how you will write 1000 divided by 100. In fraction already you have learned this one. 1000 divided by meter. So 1000 divided by 100. So how to divide this one? In division, dividing by 100, I don't know whether you have learned. 2 zeros are there, no? That 2 digits you cut it. Okay, it is in imagination you can do it. Okay, 2 zeros you cut. Remaining what is there? 10. Okay, here 2 zeros are there 2 zeros you cut, that's all. Okay, so if you cut it will be 10 now. So 10 meter. This is answer. So 1000 centimeter equal to 10 meter. This is the answer. Okay, now mixed one. How to do the mixed one? Let's see. Now convert 925 centimeter into meter. So how to convert centimeter to meter? So the formula will be 1 centimeter equal to 1/100 meter. Okay, centimeter to meter. So you go from centimeter to meter, come downward. So it will be 1/100. Okay, so now if you do the calculation, 925 centimeter equal to 925 multiply. Instead of centimeter, now you have to write 1/100 meter. So this one, how do you write? 125 divide 100. Okay, so here you will write, here 2 zeros are there, no? So here from right side, you count 2 digits, 1, 2. So after this 2 digit, you keep a point. So it will be 9.25. 2 zeros. So after 2 digits from right side. If it is 1 0, after 1 digit. If it is 3 0, after 3 digit. Okay. So like that you will keep a point, and here you will write meter, and now you have to separate it now. This before point, this will be meter. Before point will be meter. Again after point, what is it? This is a remainder. Okay. Already you have learned in division. No? You have learned. This one will be question and this will be the remainder. Okay, so if you are not able to keep a point, already I have taught you, if 2 zeros are there, the 2 digits from right side, this will be the remainder. Remaining will be the question. So here 9 is the question. Question is 9 and remainder is 25. Question is 9, remainder is 25. Okay, so this question will be the convert. What you have converted into, that will be the meter. Again the remainder will be the remaining from this 925, 25 centimeter is remaining. That's all. Okay, so how do you understand? That way you can write it. Question and remainder, that way if you understand you can write it. Otherwise you keep a dot here. After 2 digit you keep a dot here. So before dot 1 is the meter. Again after dot 1 is the remaining centimeter. So this is the answer. So last you can take and write the answer. 925 centimeter equal to 9 meter 25 centimeter. Okay, this lastly they used to make mistake, this meter and centimeter. Sometimes they used to write here centimeter and here meter. Don't forget, this before point will be what you are going to convert, that you have to write. Okay, and after point what is there, that is what is given in the question. No? That is a remainder one from the question. So centimeter it will be. Okay, now from exercise 2.1 we complete it. Thank you.